Could you ever imagine a world where the gold in your wedding ring might be tied to a web of corruption and illicit trade? Welcome to a journey that takes us into the heart of Zimbabwe's gold smuggling scandal. Our story begins in late March 2023 when Al Jazeera released a documentary titled The Gold Mafia. This investigative piece exposed a network of corruption and money laundering that reached deep into the political and social structures of Zimbabwe. High-ranking government officials and affiliates of the ruling party found themselves thrust into the spotlight, their names linked to gold smuggling operations that stretched all the way to Dubai. Among the implicated were individuals like Wiebert Angel, Henrietta Rushwaya, and Kamlesh Patni. In the immediate aftermath of the expose, Zimbabwe was rocked by outrage. The citizens, tired of resource looting and corruption, called for justice. Protests erupted, and the online community was ablaze with criticism aimed at the government's response. Demands for accountability echoed through the digital sphere, accompanied by calls for resignations. Among these voices was that of TSHABANGU and his team at the CCC. They were tasked with deliberating on a key political development, the resignation of Nelson Chamisa. Chamisa, a notable figure in Zimbabwean politics, had found himself caught in the crosshairs of the scandal. While the gold smuggling revelations were still causing shockwaves, the CCC was navigating the political ramifications of Chamisa's resignation. To summarize, the late March of 2023 saw Zimbabwe thrown into a tumultuous state. Al Jazeera's The Gold Mafia documentary exposed a complex network of gold smuggling, implicating government officials and ruling party affiliates. The public responded with outrage and calls for justice, leading to protests and demands for government accountability. Amidst this chaos, TSHABANGU and his CCC team were grappling with the political implications of Nelson Chamisa's resignation. As we wrap up, it's clear that the gold in Zimbabwe's soil is more than just a precious commodity. It's a symbol of a nation's struggle against corruption, a testament to the power of investigative journalism, and a reminder of the political intricacies that often lurk beneath the surface. So next time you look at a gold object, remember the story of Zimbabwe's gold smuggling scandal and consider the true cost of this precious metal.